Click on the link below to get price. The 1000W folding electric bike is an impressive blend of power, portability, and practicality. Right out of the box, the bike's sleek design and robust build quality stand out. The 1000W motor delivers an exhilarating ride, allowing speeds of over 30 miles per hour, which is particularly thrilling for both commuting and leisure rides. Whether you're tackling steep hills or cruising through city streets, this bike handles it all with ease. One of the standout features is the 48V 20AH removable battery. With a maximum range of up to 80 miles on a single charge, it excels for long-distance travel. This capacity means you won't constantly worry about recharging, making it perfect for daily commutes or weekend adventures. Additionally, the battery's detachable design simplifies the charging process. You can charge it at home or bring it into the office, ensuring flexibility. The folding mechanism is another highlight. This bike folds down compactly, making it easy to store in small spaces or transport in a vehicle. The lightweight frame does not compromise stability, and the bike feels secure even at higher speeds. The puncture-resistant tires and front suspension provide a smooth ride, absorbing shocks from bumpy roads. The bike also features a user-friendly display that shows speed, battery life, and distance traveled, keeping you informed throughout your ride. The adjustable seat and handlebars allow for a comfortable riding position, accommodating various heights. However, the bike's weight may be a consideration for some users, especially when folded. While it is relatively lightweight for an e-bike, lifting it can be cumbersome. Furthermore, the assembly instructions could be clearer, as some users might struggle with the initial setup. In summary, the 1000W folding electric bike is a powerful, versatile option for anyone in need of an efficient urban commuting solution or a weekend cruiser. With its impressive range, foldable design, and sturdy build, it makes for an excellent investment in personal transportation.